What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And I hope everybody's having an okay day. I'm all right. I'm working this 9 to 5 right now, trying to get these chipperoos. But listen, that's not the point of this message. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is a message that God filtered through my mind right now as I'm slaving away without the whips. He told me to tell you, hold on, what did he tell me to? God told me to tell you it's time to put this person on a lifetime punishment. Let me repeat myself. It is time to put somebody on lifetime punishment. Why you say that, Sinashti? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones. I say that for the simple fact that, listen, some people in your life, you give them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna keep counting because that's how many chances you gave this person, chosen ones. Do you understand the liability that you have next to these people, standing next to these demons in disguise? Do you get it? No, you don't get it until you have to be hurt 1 trillion times. You don't get it until you're hurt so bad that you can't get back up on your feet, chosen one. That's what it's gonna take for you to realize when this person cannot be next to you anymore. I hope not. I hope not. I went through a couple trials and tribulations where I had to figure out what is going on. What am I doing wrong? Am I around the wrong people? Am I hanging around the wrong person? Come to find out, oh yes, you are. Because yes, I was. And once I got him out of there, oh my God, you feel the weight just being lifted off of your shoulders. You feel the boulder off of your back just gone, or it's relaxed finally, you know, because you don't have this person and their negative, toxic energy all around you in your aura. You have to understand how pure and purified your aura is, chosen one, and how easily it can be manipulated, deceived, or disguised as something that you don't really want to know what it really is behind closed doors. You get what I'm saying, chosen ones? Some people need to be on a lifetime punishment in your life. Like this guy right here for coming in my video. Lifetime punishment. Stop giving people 2, 3, 4, 5 chances just to show you that they're not ish in your life. Feel me? Listen, shitty things happen to you because you allow shitty people to be in your life. Shitty people do shitty things to people because they're shitty people. Shitty things happen to you because you're around shitty people, not because you deserve shitty things to happen to you. Sorry I had to use the word shitty so many times, but for real, if you have somebody around you with their toxicity, oh, you're just gonna have nothing but trials, tribulations, problem after problem, stress, because all you're doing is you're taking part of somebody else's reality, which is nothing, like I said, but toxic energy. Some people need to be put on lifetime punishments for what they did to you, chosen ones. Some people did some things that you can't even speak of. When you think about it, it makes you sick to your stomach. Straight vile things they did to you. And yet you still have the person around, still smiling with them, kikiing with them. Man, you have to do yourself the favor and get away from them. Some of y'all are chilling with people that still down talk you, you know, and they play your dreams. They make it seem like your dreams are not accomplishable. They make you seem like you're childish for thinking the way you think, you know. They make you feel like you're wrong. They challenge your energy. Just some people that you know are just toxic for your energy, people. And you still keep them around. Your boy C Nasty with the message from God through my mouth to your ears is telling you right now, get them away from you and put those people on a lifetime punishment. Love them from a distance. Huh? You could love them, but you don't have to like they ass. And I'm dead serious. You can love them, but you do not have to like them. There are plenty of people that I love in my life, but hey, I don't like them. And I know that I gotta love you from a distance, because I know with what I got going on, you might be detrimental to the outcome. You hear what I'm saying? That's how I feel about some certain people. And they showed me that. It's not like, oh, I just decided to start thinking that way or acting like that. No. People show you their true colors, especially when you're on the journey to becoming your better self, your better version. People will show you who they truly are, because they can't hide it for too long, chosen ones. When you start to rise and you're grinding and you're rising the ladder of success, rising, your friends, your family members, co-workers, they remain stagnant in that same place. Then all they could do is look at you go up, crab in the bucket effect, and try to pull you back down with their words, with their energy, with their malicious attempts to make you feel like, oh, I'm not worthy or I'm less than deserving. Get those damn deceptionaires, damn Decepticons, get them away from you, because you already know why. Say it with me. All they do is what? Practice the art of deception. And I mean it. These people, like, they go to like a university for just straight deception. Like, it's so weird. And they just keep learning all these new techniques. But as a chosen one, you're protected from that. You get what I'm saying? You're protected from that, but you still have to learn to control your emotions through all of it. You still have to learn to control your thoughts, and don't let nothing external get to your internal and, you know, disrupt that. Because that's what these people are here to do, especially the ones that need to be on a lifetime punishment. You don't understand, chosen one. I got a few people on lifetime punishments. And you should see them trying to crawl back into my life every once in a blue moon. Sometimes I feel bad, but then I just remember what I went through in the past with them. Like, I just have to remember what they put me through in the past, which was not cohesive to my healing, which is not cohesive to my growth. You know, if people hold you back, then you gotta get rid of them. Simple as that. And I know it's hard for chosen ones, empaths, to just give up on people, especially when we already put in so much, and we already what's that word I'm looking for, when we already hold on, what's the frick is that word, when we already put in so much time, you know what word I'm looking for, when you already basically put in so much time, like, and then just to throw it all away, it feels like it's a waste. But nothing is a waste, because in those moments, in those times, when that person put you through hell, you learned. You know what I'm saying? Those losses that you took, the L in loss stands for lesson learned all the time, because now you learned a lesson to look out for the red flags. Now you know exactly what the red flag looks like of that type of individual. You know what I mean? Come one, come all. They always act the same. You could usually tell what type of person they are. They usually have the same type of motive, the same type of MO. It's obvious sometimes what these people are on. I'm telling you, chosen ones, you gotta put some people on lifetime punishments. Let me see, what else? Man, lifetime punishment. I agree. Hit the like button if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. I have over 660 high-level consciousness conversations for us to have. You know what I'm saying? And I'm a fun guy. If you like the character, subscribe to the channel. You know, I don't bite. And like I said, I got entertaining content for us to, you know, indulge yourselves in. I guess that's it. Here comes the outro. It's your boy, the Chosen 2001 with a golden tongue. La 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 la. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Subscribe to the channel. One.